आपका सवाल 3 भारतीय को लेकर था। जैसा कि आपको ज्ञात है, सब लोगों को यहाँ संज्ञान है कि 3 भारतीय को हिरासत में लिया गया है निज्जर के मामले में। हम लोगों को भी बताया गया इसके बारे में। हालांकि इसके बारे में कोई फॉर्मल औपचारिक रूप से कोई राजनयिक कम्युनिकेशन हमारे पास नहीं आया है, लेकिन हमको बताया गया है कि ये 3 लोगों को हिरासत में लिया गया है इस मामले में। जहाँ तक कॉन्सुलर एक्सेस की आपने बात की, अलग अलग देशों में अलग अलग प्रावधान होता है। तो कई एक देशों में ऐसा प्रावधान है कि अगर कॉन्सुलर एक्सेस जिसको हिरासत में लिया गया है अगर वो ना मांगे तो फिर वहाँ की सरकार हमको ये बात, मतलब ये रिक्वेस्ट हमारे तक नहीं लाती है। सुओ मोटो नहीं होता है कि आपने वहाँ के नागरिक, किसी देश के नागरिक को हिरासत में लिया और उस देश के को आप कॉन्सुलर एक्सेस दे दें।
Informed us. Is that an official channel information? Can we say that Canada has informed us about the arrest? I mean, I'm just...
Canada has informed us about the arrest.
We can say that,
yeah,
Canada has informed India.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
What happens is, in consulates in different countries, there are different norms. In certain countries, it is, if a person, say a national of a particular country, if he has been apprehended, then it is for that national to make a request that please give consular access to my embassy, and thereafter it is granted.
So all 3 are Canadian nationals?
Beyond that, we don't have any information. As I told you, that we have been informed that 3 people have been arrested and they happen to be Indian national. That is what we have been told. Siddhant, your question was regarding whether any evidence has been shared with us. So let me first make it clear that no specific or relevant evidence or information has been shared by the Canadian authorities in regard to this particular matter till date with us. You will therefore understand our view that the matter is being prejudged when people say X or Y. Obviously, there are political interests at work. We have long maintained that separatists, extremists, and those advocating violence have been given political space in Canada. Our diplomats have been threatened with impunity and obstructed in their performance of duties. We've also pointed out to the Canadian authorities that figures associated with organized crime with links in India have been allowed entry and residency. Many of our extradition requests are pending with them. We are having discussions at the diplomatic level on all these matters with the Canadian side. Can we go ahead now?